Guys, this second video about improving drums. Today we are looking into the signals. So we will look into the kick, what was recorded, into the snare, what was recorded, and into the overheads, because we have two signals there, left and right. And at the end I will say what I did. And in the next video we will gonna talk about the audio improvement. Okay, so not sure if I will have a fourth video, but this video today is about looking at the signals, and the next video is about the real drum improvement after the first improvement. Okay, so let's have a listen. Okay, so we have the kick. If you turn on your speakers or your headphones, what I definitely can recommend you to do, you will hear that in the lower end, so in the low end, we have something that is going on during the break where we don't have the attack. So basically the tail is okay, but like something in between, it's like a resonance something. So if I open in a queue, let's do it like, let's take a fab filter. I will actually, the whole improvement I will do only with the stock plugin. So I will not like do something with plugins that you normally have to buy, or just better quality, whatever. But for this case, just to have a look, I think the fab filter will be perfect. So let's have a listen again. Yeah, so as you see, like in the, so basically the peak of the bottom, right, of the somewhere around 58 hertz, 60 hertz, but when the kick is not playing, there's still a resonance. So this is not good. So usually what we are doing here with the kick, we try to isolate those things. However, the whole kick, so the whole sound what was recorded, is really not good, because we don't have something that we can work on actually. Why? Because usually what we need with a kick is we have to have a good low end, which is okayish. However, like this punch is not there. So basically what I can say without knowing where the mic was positioned, the position was not perfect. It's not where usually you would position your mic in front of the kick, or was it like inside the bass drum? I have no information. It sounds like this. However, we don't have like this, this punch. And if we have a whole mix, we have to have a punch in order that we can hear the click of the bass drum. So what I did is I didn't use this kick to do anything with it. So this is the thing. I just replaced it with a sample. And I will show you what kind of ways there are. But I believe this is, in this case, if the signal is not good, it's the best solution, because you're not wasting the time trying to improve something that is basically not, not having a good solid structure. So important to understand is when you record something, you have to have the whole frequencies and the whole layout of the whole instrument should be there. And if this is not there because the poor position of the mic, yeah, so it's very, very difficult. I think, like for the future, trying to do still something out of the signal would be very interesting, but this is not for people like you if you just want to improve the sound super fast. So you have to, have a even more deep understanding what is possible to do with effects, etc. But here it's like, no, just delete this file and make sure that you replace it with a sample.